you need to press here, yeah, this point, you need to press it here like this, and you're going to thank your brain after 20 seconds, trust me. Welcome back to the channel everyone, hope you guys are doing fine. So today we'll be doing some magic, and as the title goes, I'll be sharing a reflexology technique with you people. There is a gland which is situated at the base of our brain by the name pituitary gland. Now this gland is also known as the master gland. Why? Because this gland is responsible for controlling all the hormones that are regulated in our body. It controls the metabolism, growth, sexual maturation, reproduction, your blood pressure, and many other vital process and functions. This gland, it plays a major role in our sleep, stress, anxiety, and it helps in to allow our body to relax. Now today we'll be working with meridians. Now what are meridians? Meridians to ki hoy? These are energy highways, the source of energy, mane pathway of energy in our body. There are certain points in our body when triggered, you'll be feeling relaxed or you'll be getting more energy. So today we are gonna focus on the major points in our thumb. Okay, in our thumb. Now, yeah, there are 2 points, on our thumb. The first point is, I'm marking it and I'll show you. This is 1 point, alright, and then the next one is this point. I'll show you. The first one is this one at the tip of your thumb. Second one is here. Alright, this is the joint. This is the joint, just below the joint on this side. So what you need to do is, just first you need to press this point with your other thumb like this, okay, and the other finger, okay, you need to use these 2 fingers, alright, these 2 fingers. The first one, this thumb, you need to, tip of your thumb, you need to press at this point, and then this finger behind this, and then you need to press this point, this black spot, you need to press it like this and press it for like 20 seconds. Press it slow for 20 seconds, take a deep breath, and you can feel some tingling sensations in this area. Your sinuses may open up and you'll feel a little relaxation. Just try it. Hold it for like 20 seconds like this point, alright, this point, these 2 fingers, press it here, and then this finger on the back of this thumb like this, press it for 20 seconds. Some people might take it a longer time for this neurological changes. Alright, now after 20 seconds what you need to do is shift to this point. The same, press it here, and then this thumb on the back side, and then press it for like 20 seconds like this. B second, yeah, and then B second, yeah, press it. Just hold for some time. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. And I'm sure you guys are gonna experience some neurological changes on the back of this facial region, alright, on the back of your nose, and slowly when you press here, this neurological changes, it will move upwards on your head, and you're gonna feel a bit stress free. So try it at your home, and do let me know in the comment section whether you have felt it or not. Everybody is gonna get a different kind of experience. Some might take a little longer duration, some might experience it a little quickly. So try this often, try this at your home, and if you feel the video is worth it, do like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends, your family, and yeah, moving forward, always upwards and onwards. See you all in some other video. Take care.